Hey guys, what's up? James here. I figure since football season's starting soon, a lot of people are trying out, so I get the hiccups. And you guys need to start training. If y'all want to try out for the team, you guys want to, practice every day, get on a good diet. Yeah. Okay, so today's lesson, a spiral. They'll be using the junior size. It's gonna be easier than this because this is official size and weight. First of all, you guys want to make sure. Yeah, get away, bug. You want to have your football pumped up. I'm gonna do that real quick because mine's a bit flat. Yeah. Well, that's not good. You guys still there? Yeah, sorry about that. Ooh, it's all wet now. Sorry, guys. See there. There, perfect. See what hat I'm wearing. Isn't? You gotta take it off. It keeps pumping off. You gotta pump it up all the way. Give me any pockets. Okay. Another tip, guys, make sure when you're using a bike pump, if you don't have a ball pump, make sure you put this down at all times. So we're just going to put this up real quick, put this to the side. There we go. Now, football is all pumped up. We're going to talk about grip. Oh my god. Okay, sorry. But grip, you want to place your hand. Your hand's like mine. Mine's. Hold on, guys. God, another thing is stay hydrated. Hold on. I want to keep your water bottle in reach. Okay, so like I said, grip. So if you have hands like mine, you want to place your hands right here at this end of the ball. If you have bigger hands that can fit around this, at least to this line, your thumb can fit to this line, you want to hold it right here. But in my case, you want to hold in the back because you'll have more control over it. Okay. Hold on, guys. Okay, so I move spots. You can see me a little bit better. Although you don't have long hair when you're doing this. It's fucking dumb. Okay, so you have the ball like this and just like this. So 2 fingers on this. See that? Sorry. Right there. 2 fingers right here. I mean, I'm using the official size, so it might be easier for you guys if you're using peewee balls or junior balls. Footballs. What's on me? Alright, guys. Okay. So, stance. Okay, so what you want is you want both hands on the football. Right here. Oh. Okay. So, remember, like this. So you already know the grip. Say step 2. Okay, so stance. So you want to be standing here with both hands on the ball, just like this, just like I'm doing, over your throwing shoulder. So if you throw with your right hand like I do, you want it here. If you throw with your left hand, you want it here. I can't throw my left hand. But you get more control of the ball if you want to just fake it out, you know. Here. Hold on, guys. Okay, sorry. I'm trying to get the hair out of my face, so I'll put my hat back on. You know what? It looks stupid wearing it like that. Okay, so what was I on? Okay, that's right. So, right this over your throwing shoulder. And you guys can't see my feet right now. But okay, so once you call hut, when you're a quarterback, and you're sitting there, so whatever you're doing, whatever play, just when you call hut, the center throws the ball to you, you take it, take a few steps back. Oh, God. Sorry. Take a few steps back. Maybe if you want to go forward, if you want to run it, tuck it in right here. But bring it in. Once you catch that ball, once you get the ball from the center, bring it in. Right to your chest. So like exactly when you're catching it, just catch it and bring it in. So what you're going to do is you're going to back up a little bit. You're going to shuffle back. Then you're going to... Okay, so this looks difficult. It looks like it's going to break your arm. But let's see. You bring your arm back and you throw. So, like that. See how I'm doing? It's just like this. Just like that. So you're going to bring your arm back. So you can like this. And you have to have it at your head. You're going to want to let go. Let's see. Right about here. So as soon as it gets in front of your helmet, because you're going to be wearing helmets. Hold on, let me go get the ball. Okay, sorry. So as soon as you throw the ball, well, as soon as you let go, it's done. But what you want to do is when you throw it, you're going to throw it, and then once it leaves your hand, like a basketball, like shoot, like that. So it's going to be like that. Once you do, and once your wrist is down, bring your wrist just like so. Bring it across your body. So here's a better way of explaining it. Okay. Right L across the body. Okay. So what that's going to look like is this. Just like that. I'm going to be using a slightly less bigger ball next time, because I'm not going to be using these big balls because my hands are too small. But if you guys see what I'm saying, it's just L, right, left, either way you're making an L. I don't know why, I just can't tell, so I'm just like, this feels weird. So right, left, either way, right, I'm going to do right. So right, left, right, right, L across your body. Right here in front of your helmet, I'm pretty sure. Just like that. So see you guys next time, and I'm James, so subscribe if you liked it. And like the video if you liked it, and if you like me, subscribe.